In this video we continue up the coast of Australia in my van.
I just parked my van here on the side of the road. Pretty nice here actually. Tomorrow I'm gonna go pick somebody up.
The next morning I woke up early and started driving.
On the road again, and I'm going back down to Brisbane to pick up somebody.
Here she comes!
Good morning everybody, it's 6:49 in the morning and now there's two of us here again. We are on the highway. Now we are crossing the bridge to Bri Bie Island and it's raining a little bit, but we are having a great time anyway.
Bribie Island is a small island located right outside of Brisbane with a population of 16,000 people.
Just parked here in some park. And Sonja.
It was early in the morning and I had brought up my stove to make some coffee. The birds were singing and everything was peaceful. The temperature was 26 degrees Celsius.
Very nice view. It's raining today. Rain. Going to the national park, to the nature reserve, something. After you.
Now, one more shoes, please.
Let's go. Now we are going to
Bribie National Park.
National Park, yes. 5 minutes into the hike, we decided to go back. Too much rain. Just came back from the hike. It was not a great success. Too much rain. Kangaroos! Where are the kangaroos? We found the cinema. We're going back there tonight. We are about to have lunch on my table and my chairs. Anything on? Today I'm making pasta with lentils, chickpeas, tomatoes, and carrots.
The food was ready, now it was time to eat. Bribie Island is a nice getaway from the big city. It only takes 40 minutes to drive there from downtown Brisbane. Bribie Island is 34 kilometers long.
I really like making dishes in the ocean. I don't know why, but I don't know, it feels really cool to do it.
Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink?
There are beaches all around Bribie Island and now it was time to go swimming. The temperature in the water at Bribie Island is usually over 25 degrees Celsius during most of the year.
We just got back from swimming. Now we're getting ready to go shopping for some sunscreen and something else. I don't know what else. This is the mirror that we use to shave and to brush our teeth. Oh, it feels good. I'm just brushing my teeth, but I have to spit. It feels good. I'm feeling free. Really free. Just filled up the food bag here again. Have some food. It's 3 p.m. here at Bribie Island and we are going to the cinema. Oh, here we go.
2 hours later. We had seen a movie called Mary Poppins. The evening was coming closer and we decided to go and watch the sunset from the beach. What an incredible sunset we had at Bri Bie Island. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner. Thank you for watching.